Hello, everyone. My name is Ihab Sarek. I'm the VP of Supply at Caso. So I know we have 5 minutes before lunch. So I will talk to you first about technology. And I know technology in any business, it can make it or break it, right? And we heard a lot of talks already that happened or previously and talking about how it's helped in different areas of the business. But I want to talk really, really quickly about how it really revolutionized the QSR business in the past. So talking about signage, how it went from written and signage into a digital one, and when of course somebody like McDonald's started doing it, or cash register, or point of sale, or remote ordering, marketing went from normal into digital marketing. So all these really helped to develop and to grow the business. And also, if you look at it today and how we continue to see technology playing a role in front of the house when you talk about QR codes for menus or for payments, and how it's enabling and increasing efficiencies either throughout increasing the order value of the check or saving and labors. Things like machine card payment and contactless payment, online table reservation, self-ordering kiosk, and again, everybody talked about it, right? Loyalty program. But the question is, how did we do about back of the house? Did we really spend time in enabling technology in the back of the house? So if you look at first, what is the back of the house, I would say, operation? It starts with discovery, right? As a restaurant, I need to know what do I buy, what item, from where, what are the current ingredient that I want to buy. Second is sourcing, right? I'm going to source it. I find the item, how do I source it? And then how do I place that order? How do I get it? And then how do I follow up with the order? And the logistics, how do I get it? And we know very well that this is also one of the challenges that face the market today when it's logistics. So if you take a look at, are we using, or restaurants are using technologies today, and how they're dealing with it today. If you look, you'll find that around 86% of restaurant faces challenge when it comes to order accuracy, right? Or reduced product line when they place order, or the delivery. How many times you as a restaurant, or you get a phone call from your branch manager telling you, hey, the order is not there, or you get surprised that the order is not available, or the item is missing. So it creates really challenges for the restaurant. Okay, so what are type of the solutions that today restaurants are using it, that they're actually looking at? Today you see things like phone calls, right? They do a phone calls, I'm out, let me make a phone call. Let me use a WhatsApp. Like if I'm trying to look for a new supplier, let me actually Google, right? And of course, Excel sheets, and there is other creative ideas. A restaurant believe that this is the thing that they can use. But if you really think about it, is this enough? Is this really even sustainable? With the growth in the market, right? When you see how the growth in the pickup in the online deliveries, growth in the industry in general, global, if you look at it. So that industry, HoReCa industry, or the food service business, if you look at it in the next few years, it's going to go up to 5.1 trillion. It's a big industry that we're talking about. So growth, different trends that are coming up, and also advanced technologies that are being used across to understand the behavior of consumer, helping with the increase of sales. And really, this picture really sums it up for me. I actually took that picture when I was going to grab lunch, and all the people standing on the right are waiting for the orders, and the restaurant was full. So really, back of the house, operational efficiency, are we actually ready for this rush? So restaurants really need to invest in it, and I'm sure that already the work has started. We've seen it in different areas, but really need to cope up with the growth in the front of the house, that we are using also technology in the back of the house. Creating operational efficiency is needed, eliminating of food waste, and ultimately really digitalizing the supply chain, which is the backbone of the food service. So really quickly, these are some of the things that, you know, restaurants I know started already from using e-commerce platform. No need for now to use Google search. I can use an e-commerce platform that can connect me faster with my supplier. I can use an online tendering and RFQ. I can do a cloud-based, of course, ERP system. User management that enable the branches with multi-branches to place order and to make sure we're controlling cost, into a smart staff management system. So there are different areas and creative ways that restaurants are spending time on today to increase the technology and the use of technology in the back of the house. And ultimately, at the end, I think it's still the beginning, the journey. We spend a lot of talks and amazing talks about what's happening in front of the house. But I believe as well, back of the house and the technology will come and increase more and more. And we're happy to discuss with you guys more as well. We're here at location booth 24. And I know I'm out of time, so thank you for your time. I appreciate it. And talk soon.